Okay, so welcome everyone in today's session. And today I'll be continuing the same topic as I covered in the last video, which was LinkedIn marketing, right? So today it's the second day of LinkedIn marketing class. And today I'll be teaching you a lot many things on LinkedIn marketing on professional level. And I'm going to tell you some more basic things, right? And today in the second half of the session, we are going to have a very interesting thing, okay, over here. Now, let's start with the session, right? So I'll be covering my next topic. So here we go with LinkedIn marketing, right? So let me log in my LinkedIn account, or it might be pre-login. Let me check with it. And if you guys are having any doubt till now in any of the previous video, you can just let me know, right? Anytime in the comment box or chat box. I'll surely try to clarify you all the doubts over here in the session itself, right? Okay, so starting with the first topic of today's session. Okay, first of all, let me give you a complete description that today I'm going to teach you and what are the things that we'll be covering further. So basically, in the today's session, I'm going to tell you how to create post on LinkedIn, right? Because LinkedIn, already I mentioned, is a what we say is a professional platform, right? So you have to think and you have to take care of many things while you're writing article, while you're posting anything, right? So what are the certain things that has to be taken care of, and how to proceed ahead, how to make it look beautiful, and how to put precise things in the post, right, as well as in the article. Then I'll be telling you like when should you post and why should you post, right? For a kind of set of goals that you need to reach while you're on LinkedIn platform. Whom should you tag, right? Like, we tag some people over there. Whom should you tag, whom should you not tag, because this is a professional platform, so you need to take care of each and everything, right? Then I'll be telling you when should you include hashtags in the post or in the article, and what kind of hashtags you should use, right? So these are the five key points which I'll be telling you today in today's session. And then we'll be covering with a very interesting factor, that is quiz. We'll be playing some quiz questions based on LinkedIn platform to get more idea and just to let us know like how much we know about it, right? We'll get to know more ideas on this. So starting with the very first topic is how to post on LinkedIn, right? So let's learn how to create post on LinkedIn, right? So let's go and start with the term start a post. So I'll be showing you the entire procedure on my laptop itself, right? And the procedure is almost same in the your smartphone. So basically things matter when you are working on a big platform. So let me show you how to post, right? And what to do, what to share, what not to share. Now when you are sharing anything over here, anything, right? So you have to take care of two things. First of all, whatever details you're giving here in the terms of caption should be very precise and relevant to the content. Now, let me give an example. If I go and click here on camera, right now it will ask me to share something image from here. Now, let me pick any of the image. Now, let's see. I want to post something relevant to, let's say, this, feedback, a kind of feedback which I want to share, right? So I have taken this, right? And I'll click on done option. Like this is done, right? So this is ready. This post is ready. Now I have to write here something. Now while you're writing something, and this is a professional platform, as well as the content is also damn professional, right? You're posting something based on experience of interns that they have given feedback on, right? So you have to be very sure about what you're writing. So let's say this is a feedback from, right? So what shall you give the caption? Now you see what I have written is reviews are the ultimate and honest judgment, right? So what I'm trying to give is I'm trying to fix the things according to the situation, according to the content, right? According to the post. So this is all about review. And if somebody is giving review, for your company or for the work he or she has done, especially on Google platform, that is a big thing, right? So you have to be very sure about what about your writing is. Now you can give a thank of note, right? See, you just have to write like this. You have to specify this, right? And now you have to mention hashtags. If you want to mention directly from here, you can mention, or you can use some dot lines. That is, you can provide some space, right? And then you can mention. So the first, hashtag should be according to this particular thing is internship, right? So I will be using internship by intern. So I'll be using intern. Then I'll be using, okay, just a second, intern. Now hash internship, right? Then we'll be using internship at TechCat. Now also you can use TechCat Services Private Limited, right? And again, you can use some hashtags. Now, if you look carefully, so these are getting underlined. Now, you know what is the reason behind this? These hashtags are not already available. It means nobody has used these hashtags. So it won't be defining. But this really doesn't mean they cannot use. You can use it, right? So you have to be precise with your way, right? Now we have something like what was the a kind of internship all about. So it was based on marketing, so I'll use the term marketing. So this way you can precise it, right? If you want to add some more, you can add, else you can leave this like this, right? Now if you're done, now you have an option whether you want to go for anyone or you want to go with anyone plus Twitter, means you want to post it on LinkedIn as well as Twitter, or you just want that your connection should see, right? So you can choose any of the either of the options. See, now it will ask you and it will redirect you to the Twitter page. Now it will ask you from there, if you go here to, merge both the accounts, right? Then only it will post directly on Twitter, right? So I don't have to post it on Twitter. So I'll be removing this. Now I'll go with this option only. Now see, let me show you. If you go for this option, you just have to do nothing. You can save it from here. But I want this to be seen by anyone, right? So just leave it as it is. I choose this. Okay. Now, what I have to do is either you can, add more hashtags or you can directly post it from here. Like I don't want to post it out right now, right? Let me show you. Okay, fine. Let me post this. It will be more convenient for you to see. Right, I am done with my part. If you want to edit here, you can edit this photo. If you don't want to leave it as it is, you can post it from here. See, now important thing. See, if you go here, you have some options. You can feature it on the top of the profile. Means if you feel that this content is really good, then you can feature it from here. Just select this, right? Just select this and it's done. Now, if you have something like you want to save this or you want to copy the link of the post, you want to embed this post on your website, you can do this also, as well as from here. If you want to edit, you can edit anytime, delete also. If you want to disable the comments, means people should not comment on this, right? Or you want the same chain that I show you right now, like whom you want to see this post, right? So these are the features available, and these are really important. Like if people are continuously using a LinkedIn platform to post certain things, then they are supposed to use this, right? Now, moving ahead with the next part, if I go for a video option, right, then I do have an option to share video, right? Now, while you'll be sharing video, you can do the same thing. The same thing has to be done. Same way you can use hashtags, comment lines. If you want to tag somebody, you can tag from here, right? Now, let me take you ahead. If you want to create any event, I have already told you this yesterday, I believe, right? In the yesterday session, you can create event from here. I have detailed everything about this event, right? Now, moving ahead with writing article. Now, if you look at this particular thing about writing article, so this is really a very special thing that has been given on like LinkedIn platform, and this helps lots of people to gather information and let people know about that particular information. So what you can do is you can utilize this platform, especially if you're a good at writing and you love writing articles and all, right? You're passionate about writing these lines. Now, what are the features? Let me show you. And this is damn interesting. If you want to help people to get acknowledged or informed about it, you can definitely go through this, right? If you want people to know about some general knowledge, IQ basis, some current affairs, or whatever maybe the platform you want to share the knowledge about, you can use this platform and let so many people around you know about it, right? Now see, if I click on plus signature, I have the option of two things. I can share my any of the pictures from here, anything I want to share, right? I can use this. Now, moving ahead with headline. So headline you can choose of your own, whatever. Now, if I take headline as startup opportunities, right? Now, see, once you are writing and making all this, so you have option of this italic, underline. Then you can use numbering. You can use dotted this detail, right? You can use any kind of font you want to for writing further details, points, bullets, any kind of bullets, numbering bullets or signed bullets. Then we have quoted based. You can use this quote, right? Also, we have a link option here. Means if you want to add or display link, you can do this, right? Add to text. What link is this for? You can use your URL link, right? And then enter. Now see, there is one more thing. If I go on this option, now this is somehow based on HTML, I believe, right? You can see heading one, heading two, means you can precise, you can divide your content into sub contents. You don't have to write a big paragraph unnecessarily, because people do not take interest in reading long paragraphs. But if you write it precisely and of course in sequence matter or in arranging order, then this is going to give you lots of help, right? So I can use heading one, heading two, then normal. Like heading one, specifying about abstract, like what is this entire article all about. Then heading two will be telling about some key features or key points, the highlights, and then normal content will contain the entire description, a short and relevant description about this particular topic or startup, right? So these are the features that has been given to us, right? Now, moving ahead, if you're done with all this, so you have the option of publishing it. You can publish it, and you can, while you'll be publishing, let me show you further. If you click on publish, see, now the interesting part is it will be published on LinkedIn. The topic is startup opportunities, and further what I will write, it will come here. You can use hashtags, means every procedure will be same from here, right? And you cannot even imagine how many people could reach about this particular things, especially when you're sharing relevant data, that to the present data, which is a highly requirement of a present scenario. If you are sharing something content based on present scenario, like something which is going on in present, then this is going to help people a lot. A lot means a lot. You cannot even imagine how much it is going to help, right? So people do, especially those who love reading content, those who are fond of articles, right? So this is one of the best feature which I love the most on LinkedIn. Now, moving ahead, let me go to homepage. Now, moving ahead with this next topic, which I was telling you, like you have to keep your goals. You have to set your goals, right? Now, set your goals in the sense that you have to be very, very sure about what you are posting on daily basis. If you want people to get connected, I already told you in the last video that this is the only platform where you can get connected to so many professional people of your field that you cannot even imagine. There is no barricade, there is no limitation to connect people. You can connect with millions of people over here, right? You can have lots of connections. Now, when you're connecting with people, means everybody is going to, go through your post. Everybody will look through your post, and they're only going to, go through your post only if you are giving some relevant and a very, strong and baseful content. There should be some reason of posting it, right? Unnecessary things will not be entertained anywhere, especially over here. So you have to be very sure. You have to set a goal. Like for this week, I have been doing something based on development, so I will be sharing some sort of videos, some sort of short videos, right? Some sort of post based on my development skill, so that people should get linked through my post. And this is really, really important, right? Now, while you're posting something, so I already mentioned, and I'll be telling you about whom should you tag and whom should you not tag. So you can tag people also. Now imagine if you are working something project which is based on Google, right? Like we have, like it was a very trendy few a couple of months back, Google Assistant. Students were having lots of craze about working on Google Assistant project. Hello Google, that project. So people used to make lots of projects, and they used to put in Facebook, Instagram. So if you are making any project based on, such kind of particular area, so try to tag those people through the post, in the post, right? Now, what is this going to help you out? Number one, people following those hashtags will definitely be looking forward to your post, to your video, or whatever you have posted, right? If even if you have posted article, they're going to go through. Now, if they are going to go through, they'll send you some connection request. So there is a probability that you will having more good connections in your list, right? If somebody is willing to make such project, and he or she is having no idea about it, then he or she will be getting connected with you over here through the medium of this project, right? And the one whom you have tagged, if they find it interesting and they want to encourage more students or people like you, then they may retag you, or they may write something on comment. So this is the way to encourage and get lots of reach and engagement on LinkedIn platform, right? You have to be very precise, and you have to do whatever I'm telling you simply. And this is really a simple procedure. You don't have to make it too big, right? And you can specify about things whatever you're putting here, because if you make it too lengthy and the procedure is too much, then people won't take interest. Like, let me show you the best example about this particular post. I've given a very precise line. It is not like too complex, and I have very specified that something in the review, that the student has given 4-star rating out of 5 and has commented something, right? And I have precised, Rexy, I have mentioned her name, and she was intern at which uh, part. Along with this, I can also tag her here, and if she finds it, she feel she would feel very proud to be the part of it, and she will feel engaged with us. She'll feel good about it, like we are taking care of people who are joining us. So this is the more convenient way to make your things special and beautiful. Now, while you're using hashtags, I've already told you, hashtags should be based on the content you're posting. Now, this is going to give you a big reach. So you have to be very sure about what you're using content. If you have no idea about how to use content, you can Google, Google out there, and Google will give you lots of platforms where you can get lots of, hashtags relevant to the content. You can use search out there, and you can simply copy and paste it here. There is no big thing. If you have no idea on hashtags, and if you want to get idea on hashtags, then I have already discussed the use of hashtags and how to use hashtags in the Instagram marketing. So you have to do the same thing everywhere. There is nothing new, right? So you have to be very sure about what you are writing, what you are mentioning, right? Now, moving ahead with something which you might be knowing, you might not be knowing. Now, if you can see an option here, okay, just a second. If you see here a work option, now see what is this doing? These are the things. If you can precisely see talent solution, sales solution, post a job, create a company page, learning solutions, everything can be done from here, right? You can find leads, pro finder, salary, advertiser, everything you can go from here. Now, if you can get access to any of these. Let me show you just once. Like if you have a page of your company, already I do have a page of my company, but I don't have a page of my personal profile. So pages can be created only for company, not for your personal use, right? So if you want to attach any page from here over here, then you can use this platform, and you can follow the very basic steps are here, right? You can follow these steps and you can get it done, right? Like if you look carefully, first option is small business. You have to choose medium to large business, or just is just a showcase page, or it is an educational institution. So you have to use, right? Now if I took this medium to large business, then it will ask me to fill the entire profile over here, and this is what very easy is. You can fill all the details one on one, right? And then you have to create the page. Now what is the benefit of creating page, especially when it is about company page? So basically what happens is people don't follow the company account, they follow the page of company, because page gets more reviews, more followers, and all the most of the details you'll find in the page itself, right? Because account can be created by anybody, but page is something very precise and too much informative. So you can create a page and try to post everything on page itself, all the data. Even if you don't post on your account, it won't matter, it won't harm. But if you don't keep your page updated, then it is not a good thing, right? So you have to be very sure about this. You have to make a account, a company page if you're having, and then you can run it further, right? So this is what company page talks about. Now if you look here, premium account, now what is this going to help you? It has a large scope of getting with so many people that you cannot even imagine here. You can find so much of help, especially when you are already into professional field, when you are already into the professional background, then this is really going to help you a lot, right? So if you want to get paid account, premium account, you can choose from here. Right now you need to think, you need to choose like what you want to use for, to find leads, hire talent, develop professional skills, grow your network and manage your reputation, or to search a job search with confidence and get hired. So there are certain things, right, that has to be taken care of. So this is nothing much important to help you out with. Or if you want me, then I can tell you a bit of it, because I'm not gonna, take it ahead. Now let me help you with the, let's take first example. Now see, if you choose the very first example, then it is asking you to find these two parts, right? See, career, get hired and get ahead, this plan. Now, if you want to go for business, like grow and nurture your network, you can use this plan. Or if you want to see other plans, you can go from here, right? Now, we have some premium career features. These are the things, right? Now, if we move ahead, we can start my free month. Now this is something you'll be getting first free month, okay? And then you can pay this. Once you pay this, you'll getting first 3 months. And if you're not satisfied with the service, then you can, take back the return amount return. Means you can cancel anytime, right? See, see how you compare to the other applicants. You can look after here. All the details will be given here. Some reviews are here, and so many, right? So these are the things that you have to take care of. Now I'll go back to LinkedIn profile. Now, this was the part, the precise part which was left on LinkedIn, and I shared with you all. Now, if you have any doubt for this part, please to let me know so that I can clarify it, and then we'll be jumping to the quiz section because for me this part is very important, quiz as well. So just let me know if you have any doubt. If you have any doubt, I can help you out with the session here itself. Otherwise, we'll be moving ahead with the quiz session, right? Just let me know. If you're having doubt, let me know yes or no. Otherwise, we'll be moving ahead and we'll start the quiz session. Okay, you're having doubt. Please let me know what is the doubt. I got a comment that is a doubt. Please let me know what is the doubt. Okay. As you featured the post, what is the benefit of it? Like if I'm featuring the post, I already told if I'm featuring it means you want to ask if I'm featuring it on the top, right? This is the query. See, if you are, like let me help you with a brief explanation. If you look carefully, you're having an option in WhatsApp that you can pin three chats or three groups at once, right? Means something which you want to be highlighted always, so that you can reach to that particular uh, those group or those particular person who is pinned in a WhatsApp chat, right? And if any message or text coming from that person can be notified soon, right? As soon as you open WhatsApp. Similarly, if I want to attract people, if I want to let people what I am doing and how this particular thing is helping me, and what other things that is precising my work, then people will get attracted with this, and people will get to know. They will connect to us lots. This is the benefit of featuring any of the content or any of the post on the top. We show those things which is 100% true, and it is going to give a good effect to people, and they will definitely show a good response towards us after listening this. Now if you see, I have featured this post, and if some of the students who want to work on any platform as an internship in the marketing field, then they will definitely go through this post, and they will find me from here, and they will connect me in further future, right? So there are sort of reasons of featuring any post, so that people can look after this even as soon as they open my account. So this is the benefit of using featuring of post on the top, right? Now let me know if you have any other doubt, or shall we start the quiz? I hope I have answered to this question, right, as in the comment. Now let me know if we can start the quiz competition. Like I'll be asking some short questions, and I really need to get answer of these questions. Shall we start the quiz, guys? Okay, great. So question number one that I want to ask you, right? Question number one that I want to ask you, how many people you think are using LinkedIn at present? I'll be giving you some options. Option number one, 230 million, 500 million, 630 million, 24 million. I repeat the option, 230 million, 500 million, 630 million, or 24 million. Just let me know. I request you, please do not Google the answer because Google is always ready with the answers. I have a request you that please answer on your basis. Okay, and then I'll help you with this answer. Just you can take a random guess, and then I'll help you with the right answer. 24 million. No, this answer is wrong. Others, please respond. How many people you think are using LinkedIn? B, 500 million. Yeah, absolutely correct. At present, there are 500 million people using LinkedIn, out of which 250 million are active users on monthly basis. I'm giving you this general information to help you know that how important this platform is, right? And this is really going to help you a lot. Now, my next question is, if you are building, right, a kind of LinkedIn profile that will lead to some sort of people, right? If you are building a profile on LinkedIn that will lead to some sort of people, okay, then how should you build? Like, how should your profile look like? Options are a colorful profile picture, a summary section, or you can say a short detail about yourself kind of profile should be there, where you will be mentioning your personal brand story, a verified account, or a black and white profile picture. What shall be the answer? I repeat my question. If you are creating your profile on LinkedIn, right, that will lead to sort of people on the LinkedIn platform, then how can you build such profile? With a colored profile picture, with a dazzling summary story kind of, which will be describing about your personal brand story, a verified account, or a black and white profile picture. Okay, Divyak is saying colorful profile picture. Saurav is saying verified account. Others, can you respond? Okay, and Ritik is saying it's colorful picture. Now let me help you to understand the terms. If I talk about profile picture should be colorful, then yes, a profile picture must be colorful because at present we are focusing, on colorful world. So black and white won't work there. Now, when I talk about answer given by Saurav, the verified account, yes, it should be verified, Saurav, but it will take time to be verification, right? So initially, if you're building something, then at that moment, you should take care of first thing is your profile should be very colorful. Colorful in the sense not too much colors, but at least random colors should be there, which will specify about your details. And short details must be there, but the details should be relevant too. So all of you are appropriately correct. But the more appropriate is, I believe, is colorful profile, right? Now, moving ahead with the next part. Okay, so my next question is, what do you think? Which platform is more professional? LinkedIn, Facebook, or Instagram? And why? You have to mention a reason at least. What do you think? Which platform is more, professional? LinkedIn, Instagram, or Facebook, and why? You have to steadify your answer. You have to justify. You have to give reason. Okay. I ask the question is, what do you think? Which platform is more professional? Number one, LinkedIn. Number two, Facebook. Number three, Instagram. Okay, I've got one answer that Facebook is more professional because many of them know how to use it. See, let me reply to this particular comment that this is really not important that what you are choosing and what you're friendly with is a professional account. When we talk about professionalism, it only deals with professionalism, means there is nothing called personal, there is nothing called co-curricular activities, there is something what we called everything based on professional. Whatever you are doing is on professional level. If you're connecting with people or clients on professional level, with some connections, good connections on professional level, right? So Facebook is not the correct answer because it's not only the it's not actually a professional platform. It's an open platform where you can post everything. You can post professional things, personal things, interpersonal things, friendly things, whatever, right? Okay, one answer I got is LinkedIn. Okay, because it helps many people make business connections and share the experience. Absolutely correct, Saurabh. You're correct with the answer. And I think Ritik has also answered with the same question. That's great. That's damn great. Okay. Now let me help you with. Okay, I'll be asking this last one question. If you would be choosing, right? If you would be choosing any platform out of two, LinkedIn and Twitter, to get connected and help people get aware about various technologies, which option would you choose and why? If you would be getting an option to choose any platform out of LinkedIn and Twitter to share and help people get aware about latest technologies, which option would you choose and why? Facebook, sorry, LinkedIn or Twitter? Okay, Ritik is saying Twitter. If you can specify your answer, because how would I know that why you're choosing that platform? I really want to know the answer because this is not quiz option. There is no quiz question option. The question is why. You have to say at least justify your answer. No any idea, then how can you choose Twitter? Like you should be sure about using any platform. See, let me tell you, both options are perfect to use, right? It's just that you need to see where you're getting a better connection, and connection in the sense that people should not only go through your post, they should like, they should comment, but they should get aware of it, and they should use those ideas, use those knowledge for further application purpose. So it can be any platform in terms of knowledge sharing and awareing people based on technologies or any other, right? So you have to be very sure about it. If you know how to, uh, you know, uh, uh, handle people on Twitter, how to get connected over there, how much people will be responding there, you can go for Twitter. If you know about that, no technologies kind of sort of things will be, you know, helping people more in the LinkedIn platform, then you can use this platform. Nothing is to worry over there, right? You just have to be sure about awareness thing, right? Because the main motive is awareness. So for today, this would be the sufficient session, right? And now I want the people to get connected with me on the next session, right? And it will be again more interesting based on digital marketing. So for now, thank you so much, and we'll see you soon.